Hey guys, welcome back. Wait, okay, so, hey guys, welcome back to another continuation of our past, whatever. I did finally find the the block I was looking for. I don't know why I couldn't find it the first time, but anyways, this is what is backtrack number of stage or whatever. It's right here underneath reset timer. Wait, give me a second. I need to go grab something. I'll be right back. Hi guys, I'm back. Okay, anyway, sorry about that. Just let me get to something here. Where were we? Okay, here we are. Okay, so what I was saying, yeah. Remember backtrack number of stage, and then but it's right here underneath sensing. Okay, so what you'll want to change this to is, okay, take this and then stick it point in direction, and then stick this repeat until underneath it, and then launcher underneath that, and then grab point in direction. Um, uh, wait. Uh, there we go. Okay, sorry. So point in direction of launcher, and then you're good. Okay, so then repeat until touching edge, and then I'm gonna go up here, move. I'm gonna do move. Uh, go down here, launch speed, move, launch speed steps, then go to launcher. There. Okay. So you should have these two. So we should have these two now. Yeah, that's good. Okay, let's get another monkey here for a sec. Because that did not work. What I did for the monkey here, crap, I'm gonna need to redo the whole thing for monkey. So I'm just gonna pause. First, I'm gonna do what I did with the monkey here. This is what I did. I just took the eraser tool here, and I just did boop. Yeah, that's all I did. Yeah. Now we're gonna do this one. Okay, so I'm gonna pause this. I'll be right back. Okay, guys, so I just tested it, and it works pretty good here. So you see there, the launch speed goes up, and if I press the space bar, it launches it, and if I take this down, it launches it slower, and I can move the arrow to where you want the monkey to fly, I guess. Almost. So I can, like, send him straight up. Okay, anyways, I have, like, 9 seconds left. Uh,